Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing another headband wig, and this one is my second highlighted wig. I'm kind of excited about this one because it has black roots, so it's going to be a lot easy for me to blend. Fingers crossed. So this video is sponsored by WestKiss Hair, and WestKiss is one of my favorite affordable hair brands. I really love their hair quality, and as I mentioned, their hair is very affordable. I haven't had any complaints with any of the units that they've ever sent me, and I think they got pretty favorable reviews on YouTube as well. So today's video is this curly highlighted headband wig, and it's in 22 inches. Of course, because it's curly, it doesn't look extremely long. You guys know that curly hair is going to appear shorter just strictly because it's curled. Okay, so I already have my hair slicked down. So I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into this. And this wig has the 3 clips in the front and 2 in the back. Now, I don't particularly care for the wig clips. I personally prefer the combs just because I don't really like clipping things onto my hair, but that's just a personal preference. One thing I can say is that it will hold a lot more secure because you are clipping it on. And just be sure to put it in the location where you want to before you clip it, because it's annoying to have to unclip. This was actually pretty easy. The last headband wig that I had those clips was kind of hell to clip. And I could tell you, first impressions is this hair feels very soft. Okay, so I like the honey blonde highlights. Honestly, a lot of these headband wigs, I prefer to just wear plain black because you don't have to worry about getting a headband that match. Of course, you can use the headbands, and the headbands are cute, but it does take a lot more effort for it to match your outfit if you are like wearing something that has color. Today I'm wearing black because I'm always wearing something that don't match none of the headbands, so I'm trying to make it easy. So the first thing I'm gonna address is the fit. Surprisingly, those wig clips actually don't bother me as much as the last one that I did. And this wig fits me almost perfectly. And I am 22-inch head size, so if your head size is around that, then this will fit you fine. Of course, if it's smaller, it'll fit you as well. As far as if it's bigger, it will fit. I did stretch this all the way to the end of the Velcro. So I'm assuming if your head is slightly bigger, like about 23 inches, it'll be fine as well. It's just not going to overlap to the very end of the Velcro, but it should still be a secure fit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try on one of the headbands. So next I want to address the shedding. I'm not really getting any shedding with this unit. I did pull about 1 or 2 strands, but that's really about it. So that's good. And this hair feels super soft. Let me go ahead and try to style it. Y'all know I love my side pony. Okay, let me try one of these headbands on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't usually like these headbands. I like them on other people, but for some reason when I try it on, I don't really feel like I like how it looks. Okay, so I wanna wet this hair just to kind of see what it looks like once it's wet. So this is what it looks like wet compared to dry with no product. I'm gonna add some mousse to this left side. Let's see what that does. Let me go ahead and wet the whole thing. Okay, I can tell you that I do prefer the look of this after it's wet and I applied some mousse. I'm gonna go ahead and try on one more headband. Okay dolls, let me go ahead and give you the details on this unit. As I mentioned, this unit is from WestKiss Hair and the unit that I'm wearing is 22 inches and this is their curly texture. Now, although this texture is considered curly, to me it appears to be more of a deep wave. More wavy than curly, in my opinion, but I guess it probably has a looser curl due to it being colored. Now, I did get a little bit of shedding when I was manipulating this hair, mainly when I did my ponytail. I did end up tangling this hair up in a knot. So be very mindful when you're manipulating the hair and doing different styles because it is a curly texture, it's more prone to tangling. One thing I did notice with this hair is that it was a little bit dry on the ends. So I do recommend adding some type of product to help lock in the moisture of this hair. Other than that, the hair, as I mentioned, is very soft and it has minimal shedding and tangling. As for the smell, now there is no smell associated with this unit. Even after I wet it, it still did not have a smell. So that's a positive. So I already touched on the fit earlier in this video. The next thing I'm gonna touch on is the price. Now, as I already alluded in the beginning of this video, WestKiss Hair is pretty affordable, and in my personal opinion, you get good bang for your buck. This particular unit starts off at around $64, and they do have some coupon codes that you can apply that could potentially reduce that price even further. So $64 for about a 12 inch. As I mentioned, this is a 22 inch, so obviously the 22 inch is gonna cost more because as always, as you increase with length, it increases with price. As for the color, I do enjoy the color of this unit. It's a nice honey blonde color, which I think is a lot more versatile to multiple skin tones. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I will have everything used in this video linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed a few days ago. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.